Yo! It's my first time in Greece and I'm pretty excited. Epic drone shots in 3. Guys, if your drone says strong wind, lower altitude, listen to the drone. Don't do what I did. Hey, short info for context. This here is called Balos Lagoon, but when I really want to take you guys, it's on another beach, and I'm a bit in a hurry because I want to catch the sunset. We got a rental car, so we gotta step it up a little bit to make sure we get there. There's goats everywhere. Say hi to the goat. Hey goat. So the only reason I came here is this guy. Where is he? This guy. He's about to go down and I want to catch a nice time lapse. And of course, you can just film and speed that up, which I mostly do some of the times. But today, I would like to do it the proper way. So bear with me. I have my online time-lapse calculator here. So for a time-lapse of about 15 seconds, considering that we want to export in 30 frames, this video you're watching right now, it's exporting in 30 frames per second. We're gonna have to be here for 1 hour, taking 450 pictures every 8 seconds. Okay, so I don't want to lose any more light. See you guys in an hour. I mean, 15 seconds. Okay, so what happened there? Last night my time-lapse math was right, but the more you do, the more you learn. I underexposed, meaning that what I was seeing with my own eyes was a lot lighter than what the camera was seeing. So basically almost half of the time-lapse was just pitch dark. But still, I think it was pretty nice. But now we are at this Holy Trinity Monastery in Crete. So without getting into any religious matter, enjoy this nice B-roll. I'm not a very religious person, but whenever I travel, I really like to discover this kind of churches and temples. I hope you like my short B-roll. Let's go to the beach.
Turn right to stay on Hipparchiakiotos Moniakias Triados Parabolitsis.
Okay, I'm not allowed to fly the drone here, and I'm also not sure if I can film down here because there's a pretty intimate space for swimming, but I just wanted to show you guys this shot. But hey, I forgot I got the GoPro. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Thank God I brought my GoPro because first of all, there's an airport real close, so I couldn't fly my drone. And this camera with the mic on and the flip screen and this tripod, let's just say it's not nice to film with this on that little beach. So now we're heading to the city and probably get some dinner after. See you guys a bit later. I almost died. Let's go grab some dinner. Okay, we just got back to the city. By the way, have you met No Chin Alex? No Chin Alex is quite fun, I've been told. So I want to show you around, and you know what's coming, right? I'm sorry guys, I didn't have too much time to take too many B-roll shots to show you around. It's getting quite dark and we're still wandering around to find some dinner. But if you watched until now, my first time in Greece, you know what to do. Everybody's watching me, I need to get used to this. You know what to do. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.